Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox my December Orna boxes. Yes, I love Orna boxes. I love the jewelry of Orna boxes. First of all, they are like very cheap subscription box, very cheap jewelry subscription box to be specific. And most of the time I fall in love with the jewelry they send. And last time was like, I can't even tell you how much I loved the last time jewelry, the November boxes. So I'm super duper excited about the December one. So let's just open and see. They have two variants, green box and blue box. Green one is a little cheaper one and blue box is a little expensive one. So let's just open and see what jewelry I have. Alright, so here I have blue box and here I have green box. Definitely the blue box is feeling a little heavy than this one. This is very light, so I'm just gonna open it up and see. Alright, so this is the green box. I'm just gonna open it, and all the jewelry is really intact with the bubble wrap. Alright, so the very first thing I can see is this pair of earrings. They are very pretty, like a ring gold earring with some bow. Yeah, it is a bow. So this is how they're looking on me. Really pretty, really nice. Yeah, they're beautiful. Alright, let's just check out another jewelry piece. Alright, again this is a gold plated earring, like it's in a golden color. So this is how it looks like. So this is how they're looking. They are very retro, I would say. Now let's just move on to another piece of jewelry. Alright, I see a bracelet. This is how the bracelet looks like. I think I have a similar one. Not exactly the same, but it's very similar. I already have this kind of bracelet. Alright, that's the bracelet. Let's just check out what else I have. Ooh, these looks really nice. These are those kind of earrings where you have like a fancy back and you can just change it according to you. Like you can just use any kind of stud or pearl earring in front and you can just use this back. This is like really pretty. Again, a gold color. I think gold is dominating this time's green bag. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And the best part is that you can, they have like two backs. One is the string back and the other is the normal back. So you can use these earrings as just like a pearl earring, or you can just bling it up using this long back as well. Oh my god, they are super pretty, really nice and chic, really elegant. Loved these earrings. Alright, moving on to another pair of earrings. Oh, okay, so this is not gold. This is in silver color, but I wish ये भी gold color में होता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता, because I kind of like have similar earring in silver already. Like उसमें नीचे झुमके नहीं है इस तरह के, and these kind of earrings were my favorite, but now they have jhumkas as well. I desperately wanted like a gold pair of this kind of earring. Though silver is beautiful, it's amazing, but I have a wedding to attend, so I could have worn this like a gold piece. Yeah, but these are beautiful as well. Oh my god, these are beautiful. I wish कि ये gold में होते. These are super pretty. Love them. Alright, moving on to the next piece. Okay, so this is the piece. This is again golden color. So I'm just gonna open it up. I think it's a neck piece. What it is. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Alright, this is like an oxidized gold neck piece. It's so pretty. It's like so, it has like three jhumka kind of hangings here, and because of it, the look of this necklace is looking like a traditional Punjabi jewelry, and I would love to pair it with some Punjabi dress, Punjabi suit. It looks beautiful. So those were the jewelry pieces in green box. I loved most of them. I loved these, but the color was not of my choice, but these are beautiful again. And I loved these string earrings as well. Rest of the earrings are kind of okay. So let's go to the blue box and see what I have. So this is the blue box. I'm just gonna open it and see. So this is how the jewelry looks like. Again, I can see lots of gold jewelry. So I'm just gonna see one by one. Alright, so the very first jewelry piece is this pair of earring. Again, it's like more of like a Bali type with some blue stones. So this is how it looks like. They are very simple and elegant. Alright, let's just check out another jewelry piece, I think I can see another bracelet. This is like a chain bracelet. This is how the bracelet looks like. I'm just gonna wear it and show you how it looks on hand. It looks really pretty, really elegant, really pretty. This bracelet looks on hand. I love this. All right, let's just move on to another piece of jewelry. I see a ring. It's a huge gold color ring, really big sunflower kind of ring, and this is how it looks like, and it's adjustable, so you can just adjust it according to your size. Move on to another piece, and I see a very pretty Bali kind of earring again, and they are like huge and they are so pretty. It has like little zircons all over. These are basically loop earrings, and this is how it looks like. I can use it like bangles as well, but yeah, my like wrist is like so small. I can definitely use them as bangles as well. They're so pretty. So I'm just gonna wear it and show you how they look on me. Oh my god, these are super pretty. Love them, love them. Yeah, they are very pretty loops. Yeah. Moving on to more jewelry pieces. I see another pair of earrings, and these look beautiful. Yeah, these are like flower earrings. It has a gold metallic flower, and down here it's there is a pearl. So this is how they look. They are pretty. All right, moving on to another piece. I see silver oxidized jewelry, and these are earrings. Yep, these are earrings, and this is how it looks like. So this is how they look like. Again, a really pretty pair of earrings. Yeah, I am left with one last piece of jewelry, and which is this one. I really don't know what it is. Seems like a necklace, but not sure. I'm just gonna open and see. Oh, it's a set. It's a whole set. So this is how the necklace looks like. Really pretty. It has like a pearl flower in between, and the necklace is in gold color. And this is how it looks like. Comes with a pair of studs. It's not like very matching. It's not like very matching, but it can work, because with this kind of chunky necklace, you always want to wear something very light, and these jerkin studs will work really well. But you can always use a pearl earring as well, because it has pearl here. So yeah, this is the set basically. So those were all of the jewelry I got in both of my boxes. I kind of liked last time's box much better than this one. This one was kind of okay. Few earrings I really loved, but few were like kind of like average for me. So yeah, that was the unboxing video for the Orna boxes for the month of December. I hope you liked this video, and if you're new to my channel, watching me for the very first time, then please do hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.